Welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your region on PUBG. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your region on your PUBG Mobile game, then to change your region on PUBG Mobile game, tap open your PUBG Mobile application. Simply start your mobile game and then head over to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and tap on this little arrow right next to inventory. From the expanded menu, tap on settings. You'll be able to see an option that says select server. Tap the change button right next to the select server option and from the drop down, select the region you'd like to choose. You can select any one region from the options displayed by giving it a tap, and now tap on OK in order to change your region. Tap on OK again in order to switch to a new region, and that is how you'll be able to change your region on PUBG. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.